Hi guys, hope you're well. This video will tell you about something that I've added to the easy CB method. So what I've decided to do is I've sort of looked at the easy CB method and realized the hardest thing is actually getting the traffic and making sales. Okay, so a quick rewrap. You will see the link below. I've added this bonus in that I'm going to tell you about, and I've put some time on the clock, so you'll find the link to the easy CB method. What you get is a product picked out for you from Clickbank, the Clickbank marketplace that will convert. I write all the emails for you, I set up the entire funnel, and I give you the traffic plan to follow so you can make sales. And all you need to do is take that funnel that so you'll get a URL like a web address, and you just send traffic to that web address. Not only will you build an email list, but you also make sales, okay? And you just follow that. But I was thinking how I could make it better and how I could make it faster, so I've added a bonus in. You get all of these bonuses here. You'll get the case study that shows you exactly, it shows you me doing it exactly the same way. Bonus traffic sources, so I give you bonus traffic sources, not just one but a good few to go free and paid so you can make money. Support, I've put that in as a bonus because I know that a lot of people don't give support with their courses. You will get probably the best support that you'll find online. I really pride myself on my support. I answer all the emails myself, and it's not one of those products where you'll be fobbed off. I will answer all emails. All I request is that you actually do the stuff, okay? So this is for people that will do the stuff. It's not difficult, but I'm there to answer all your questions if you get stuck or anything like that. It's really, really easy, so I don't think you will, but you've got that added support. You also get the personal coaching option for free, okay? That's where you actually get a membership, and it gives you personal plans and personal action plans in different niches and covering lots of different things, okay? You get that for free. And the bonus I've just added is the Blitz method. It came about like this. I wanted to, probably the hardest thing with the easy CB method is that you get your funnel, okay? And then as you're sending traffic, you get that constant, is it going to work, isn't it going to work, you know, all of that stuff. So what I've decided to do is the Blitz method, which is similar to the case study, but what I'm going to do is show you other sites that I'm using exactly how to make sales within 30 days. So the sites I'm actually using are Instagram, okay? I'm going to show you exactly how to use that, and that's one of the main traffic methods. I'm going to show you how to use it so you actually make sales. I'm also going to show you YouTube. This is a site that I'm going to be using, not this account, but an account related to the niche. I'm going to show you how I'm using that as well. And I'm going to show you Pinterest, okay? And exactly how to use that and use it all in conjunction. There's a few other things in there I'm going to show you, and the Blitz method is about putting all this together and actually showing sales. So I've set up my own funnel, okay, and I'm sending traffic to it, and you'll be able to see sales come in. It's to prove to you that it works, and secondly so you can follow along and use all of these and make some money. There's also paid traffic in there as well if you prefer to go down that route. But the reason that I decided to add this bonus in it is because out of everything, one of the biggest problems I see people having is that they just don't know how to send traffic, or if they do know how to send traffic with free resources, they make the mistake of thinking, right, this is a system, okay? So bear with me. You know, if you're looking at free traffic like this YouTube video, okay, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, there's no real systems. You're just putting your content out there, and people will find it that are interested in your videos, your posts, that is relevant to the niche. So I'll give you a quick example, like this YouTube channel. This YouTube channel isn't huge, but all it's got on it, it predominantly is Amazon affiliate stuff and Clickbank and SEO stuff. So people that are interested in that find the channel. And it takes a while to build up, and the biggest problem that people have is that because it takes a while to build up, it's almost like this stuff doesn't work, this system doesn't work. And what I want to do with the Blitz method is show that not only does it work, but it's just a case of staying consistent, not worrying about getting everything perfect, and actually I'm going to show you myself doing it so you can follow through and do the same. So I'd love to have you with me. you will get all of these bonuses, including the Blitz method. You've got a membership area to sign into, and you will also get a Clickbank product picked out for you. You get all the emails written for you, and you get the complete funnel set up. So if you want to join us, do get in, and you'll get all of those bonuses as well. And it will give you everything you need. So you're not falling down the sort of cracks that people fall down. So, when you're looking at Clickbank, biggest mistake that people make is they go and grab their affiliate link, go and paste it round online and hope for the best, and you're never going to make any money like that. Okay, you might make a sale here and there, but you'll never make any real money, and the only person you're benefiting is the actual person that's developed the product, because they get an extra sale. If you actually want to make an income with Clickbank, you need to have a little funnel. It doesn't have to be anything miraculous or really state of the art to start off with, but you need to be able to build a list, and you need to be able to have a funnel set up properly, and you need traffic, okay? And that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do. The traffic plan is really easy. The Blitz method is really easy. It just requires consistency. I'm going to be showing you for 30 days, so you can just follow suit and do exactly the same thing. So if you want to get a plan that make you $100 a day with Clickbank, following this plan, following the Blitz method and the case study and all the other bonuses, come and get it set up for you. The other benefit is, because it's set up for you, all you need to do once it's set up is start sending traffic straight away. You don't need to worry about, I don't know how to write emails, I don't know which product to pick. I pick it all for you to convert. So come and join us. I'd love to have you. I've put the link below, and you'll get that extra bonus, the Blitz method. And I've really done it as another reason was to speed everything up, because there's a thing where it takes ages to make money online and so on. Well, I'm going to show you that it doesn't take that long, as long as you're consistent, as long as you don't second guess everything, and as long as you focus more on the actual doing of the stuff rather than the working out whether you're doing it right or wrong, if that makes sense. But I'm going to show you inside. I'm excited to show you. So come and join us, get your funnel set up, the easy CB method, a key to $100 a day with Clickbank. Grab your spot below, and you'll get all of those bonuses, and you'll get the Blitz method as well. I'm excited to show you. I'll see you inside, guys, and thanks for watching.